Hello everyone, that is the GoPro Hero 11 Black. That is the media mod which I bought for my GoPro Hero 10 Black. Small spoiler, it works on the 11 as well, so you don't need to get a different one. And today it's all about the microphone. We're testing 5 microphones for you on this GoPro Hero 11 Black. And if you want to support my channel, go into my Amazon store and you will find all the microphones so as the media mod to support my channel. Let's get started. And I'm standing here for one reason, because it's windy, it's wet, it's cold, so we have the best conditions to try out the different microphones, because all the microphones should work pretty fine once you're at home in a closed space without any wind or anything else. First thing you need to do is get rid of the battery door. Don't break your nails, you need to push that down. It's quite hard sometimes, and then you just take the battery door away. Now you see the USB-C port. The battery has to stay inside, so as the memory card. Here's the media mod from all sides. As you can see, a cold shoe adapter. Here's a cold shoe adapter to use an external microphone or an additional video light. The media mod itself has an integrated external microphone, which is here. It comes also with a wind protection. You get 3 additional ports, HDMI, a USB-C port to charge the camera while it's recording, and a 3.5mm jack. So first of all, we're going to try the internal microphone, then the integrated microphone of the media mod, a Wi-Fi microphone, in this case the Rode Wireless Go, which I'm using already for 4 years now, the Sennheiser MKE 200 and the Sennheiser MKE 440, all listed in my Amazon shop. Here's the internal microphone of the GoPro Hero 11 Black. That is the microphone of the media mod. Here's my Sennheiser MKE 200. Since the Sennheiser MKE 440 is a powered microphone, you need to select powered mic on your media mod, and if it's still not loud enough, you select powered mic plus. Sennheiser MKE 440 without the wind protection. Sennheiser MKE 440 now with its wind protection that appears also on your screen. Here's my Rode Wireless Go on the GoPro Hero 11 Black. That's a wireless microphone which I'm using already for 4 years. Of course, you may use your GoPro Hero 11 Black as a vlogging camera, also in portrait mode. To be honest, the Rode Wireless Go was for me most of the time the best microphone, because there are not too many background noises if you have it right here. The only downside today is that I forgot the little wind protection on top of this microphone, which dampens the wind noises a little bit. I think the best value for money is the Sennheiser MKE 200. Since I'm using it already for 2 years, you don't need any batteries. It comes with 2 different cables, one for your phone, one for your camera. It can also be your GoPro. It has this wind protection, and it did a pretty good job within the last 2 years, as I said. And it retails at about 60 to 80 bucks. Media mod microphone. Sometimes I had the impression that the internal microphone of my GoPro was better than the external microphone which came with the media mod. But at the end of this video, I'm going to ask you the one and important question: which microphone do you prefer the most? I had the idea to come out once again to test out the internal microphone of the GoPro Hero 11 Black, and that's the result. It's absolutely calm wind at the moment. There's just the Autobahn in the background and some birds here in the area, and that's it. But in terms of wind, absolutely still. And I hope you have now a good impression of the internal microphone. Another day in German winter paradise, just joking. Rode Wireless Go without too much wind, to be honest, and let's see if it's good for you or not. It's now connected to my media mod, and I'm holding the camera on a selfie stick, which gives me a different perspective, but you should be able to hear me quite well. So I'm standing right here. It's a bit windy, so I turned into the other direction. However, you should hear me quite well since I'm using a wireless microphone and I'm not standing in front of the camera. However, you should hear me. That was my review about the media mod, which I'm using already for quite a while now on the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Which microphone did sound the best for you? Make sure you leave a feedback below. So we tested 2 Sennheiser microphones, the Rode Wireless Go, the internal microphone, so as the one with the media mod. If you do have any further questions, please make sure you leave a comment below. If you would like to support my channel, you will find the media mod, so as all the microphones, listed in my Amazon shop. See you next time und tschüss.